Good morning, Year 3 and Year 4. It's that time of the week again. It's Monday morning maths with Mrs. Court. And my problem today is all about perimeter. Do you know what perimeter means? Tell your grown-up. That's right, it means the length around the outside of a shape. So let's have a look at my shape. Here I have a letter or a symbol, a letter H, that is going to be sewn onto or it's going to be embroidered onto a piece of clothing. And the manufacturer would like to know how long it is around the outside, what the perimeter is of this shape in order to sew around the edges. Okay, so how much thread are they going to need in order to sew this badge on? How are we going to work out the perimeter? Pause the video and tell your grown-up how we normally work out perimeter of shapes. That's right, we normally add up all the lengths of the edges, of the sides. The problem with this is that there's some that are missing. Pause the video and can you tell your grown-up what any of the missing lengths might be? For example, what must this one be? Or this one? Or this one? Perhaps you could have a go at sketching it, see if you were right. Okay, let's work through them. So, looking at parallel lines, so looking at lines that are opposite and equal, we can see, without measuring, because it's not to scale, we can see that this line is the same length as this line. Therefore, this must be 20 centimetres. Then, if this is 8 from the bottom up to the middle, then so must this be. So that is 8. Then, this must be 5, because those two are parallel. What about this top one? Well, it's in line with this shape, it's parallel with this line, so we know that must be 7 centimetres, and this bottom one down here also must be 7 centimetres. Can you pause the video now and work out the perimeter? Remember we said we're adding all the lengths together. Okay, so we have 20 centimetres plus 20 centimetres, so that's 40. Then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sevens, which I'm going to add together to make 28, because 4 times 7 is 28. Then I've got 2 5s, so that's 10. I've got I've missed one out here. Nobody told me that. This one is 6 centimetres, because that's the same height as that. So I've got 2 8s, which are 16, and I have 2 6s, which are 12. So I've done my 20s, I've done my 7s, I've done my 2 6s, I've done my 2 8s, I've done my 2 5s. So we're going to add that all together. Pause the video and have a go at working that out. So 8 plus 6 is 14, plus the 2 is 16. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I make the perimeter 106 centimetres. Do you agree with me? Let me know by tweeting in the comments. How about you go around your house and work out the perimeter of some other shapes? You may need a metre stick or a tape measure in order to be able to do this. What's the perimeter of your garden? Or what's the perimeter of your bedroom? I'd love to know. Until next time, see you soon.